Right now, some of the simplest YouTube channels are blowing up, going viral, and pulling in over $10,000 a month. And here's the crazy part. They're doing it with faceless videos that anyone could make. So here's what I'm doing. For the next 10 days, I'm going all in. I'll launch a brand new channel in this exact niche, post videos using my viral tricks, and prove I can go from 0 to millions of views. This is the easiest way to grow on YouTube and start earning online right now, but 99% of people won't even notice it. You're the 1% who did. So stick with me till the end, because I'm going to reveal everything. My copy-paste shortcuts, my hidden strategy, and how you can turn this into your own game changer. First, I had to create a brand new YouTube channel, but I wanted it to look completely professional. Once the channel was open, the first thing I did was set up all the secret settings. You know, the ones most new creators skip. I turned on the 3 advanced features, because without them, YouTube doesn't really treat your channel seriously. If you're starting a new channel, trust me, turn on those 3 advanced options before doing anything else. After spending some time setting up everything properly, finally, I had a professional YouTube channel ready to go. Now it was time to find a good niche and start making videos. I didn't overthink it too much because I already knew what type of content audiences love watching. And one of the most consistent categories I'd seen was Chinese shorts. Those always get views, no matter what. So the next step was done. Now the question was, where do I get the videos from? After doing a little bit of research, I found an app that lets you download videos safely. If you make small edits to those videos and upload them, you won't get any copyright strikes. And if you're wondering what that app is, you can find it on my Telegram channel, link in description. Now my channel was ready, and I had my first video source. I downloaded the video, made a few edits, added a professional AI voice from 11 Labs, and got the video ready to upload. I started uploading videos the very next day. And when I uploaded my first video, guess what? After 24 hours, it had 1,200 views and 7 subscribers. The lifetime views went up to 3,800, and I got 9 total subscribers from that video. Seeing those results gave me motivation. So I uploaded another video. Same process, better quality. At first, it didn't get many views, but suddenly, within 24 hours, it exploded. 5,400 views in a single day. I couldn't believe it. That video eventually hit 15 million views and gained 333,000 subscribers. Yes, all within 2 days. And the best part? My channel got monetized within just 7 days. Then came the third video. After 24 hours, it got 34,300 views and 1,200 new subscribers. From that, I learned so much about audience retention and video structure, things that actually matter to the algorithm. Next, I checked the analytics. Total views were 2.2 million and 34,000 subscribers. Crazy numbers, right? Look at that impression to engagement ratio. Absolutely insane. Then the fourth video dropped. Boom! 700K plus views. After seeing those results, I knew there was no reason to stop. The average view duration was over a minute, and engagement was through the roof. So I uploaded another one, and it went boom again. 1.2 million views. I honestly couldn't believe my eyes. Even my next video, which didn't blow up that hard, still crossed 100,000 plus views easily. In total, I gained around 800,000 subscribers in just 10 days. This was part of an old challenge I did a while ago, and it took me a lot of time to prepare everything, but it was worth it. In the last 28 days, the channel hit 10 million views and 127,000 subscribers. And now comes the craziest part. One single video, with 1.2 million views, made me $881 in ad revenue. That's insane, especially because this was during the channel's peak period. So yeah, this is how I built, grew, and monetized a faceless YouTube channel in just a few days, from scratch. If you're serious about starting your own channel, set it up properly, choose the right niche, and just keep posting. You don't need luck, you need strategy and consistency. If you want me to make a video showing how I make these viral videos step by step, comment below, and I'll start working on it right away.